Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today I am going to show you how to make the easiest paper beads out of phone books. You could also use newspaper, but I love phone books. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some paper beads. I like to dry my beads under a desk lamp overnight. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.